see what Miss Edlin is up to. Good morning, Miss Edlin. Oh my God, you chose to use the gold silk. Well, here at Oriental Rug Care, we keep a variety of real silk, and this rug, she picked the gold silk to go with the gold tone in the silk rug. Wow, talk about beautiful work. So she's knotting in, and at the same time, she's creating this braid here in this detail, and you can see that because she's carrying this. Look at this, how shiny and rich this is. This right here. So it's very complicated. She's creating this wonderful braid. We're Oriental Rug Care. We love doing restoration of rugs, carpets, reweaving, refringing. You name it, we do it. You can see more about us at orientalrugcare.com. Oriental Rug Care, where we care.